The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UGC NET exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, it is a very good news to you. Why? Because here one of my YouTube channel is designed specially for the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So here all the concepts will be explained in detail, and the PPTs are also available to you to download for quick revision and for quick reading purpose. And this YouTube channel link I am providing in the description box of this video. And now coming to the present content of the video. So here we are going to see the vacancies in Sharda University. So it is one of the private university. So anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So after entering into this website, you just scroll down. Here you can see the job openings. So click on this one, then you will be directed to the openings. What are the current openings are there? See here the urgent openings are there for the different categories: professor with administrative responsibility and support staff, registrar redefining retirement and contractual faculty positions, JRF, and the JRF in different companies including the government, that means ISRO project are also doing by this university. And here you can check the contract faculty positions. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for teaching positions in Sharda University on contract basis. So just click on here, then you will be directed to the vacancies notification in this one. See, coming to the departments, computer science and engineering, and minimum eligibility is the MTech. So they are not asking for the UGC NET or the PhD here. For biotechnology, MTech plus UGC NET, and in life science, agriculture, management, law, pharmacy, journalism and mass communication. So for all these things, the post graduation with the UGC NET is compulsory. And coming to the payment, if you're having the if you're having the experience less than 3 years, remuneration is like this, and 3 to 5 years it is like this, and for above 15 years, so 55,000, you are going to get minimum 14 hours you have to take. So it is a workload. And if you want to apply, just click on this one, and here the contract period is 3 years. Fine. So if you want to apply, just click on this one. So these are the job recruitment notifications in this Sharda University regarding these disciplines. So the candidates who are nearer to this university or who are interested in this one, with these qualifications and with these salary, okay, with these experiences, then you may apply to this one. And so in order to get the more and accurate details, please once visit the official website of this university, and then you can check down the different faculty positions and the JRF positions in this one. Fine. So it is an update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of openings, right? For more notifications and for more updates, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.